Okay, in this video I'm going to show you very quickly how to enable forward error correction on your SpeedFusion Tunnel. I'm going to do it in two ways. One, if you have multiple tunnels and want to apply it site-wide, or if you want to assign it to a local tunnel or a specific tunnel. So if you're using In Control, you just go to SpeedFusion, go to Configuration. Assuming you already have a SpeedFusion tunnel created, edit your tunnel. You're going to click Next. You're going to click Next, and then you can hit Show Advanced Settings. Now, if you want to enable forward error correction on all of your tunnels in your configuration, you can just hit Enable Forward Error Correction there. If you want to enable forward error correction on just a specific tunnel, you can go to Link Settings, that's enabled by clicking Show Advanced Settings. Go to Advanced Link Settings, and then you can type in the router that you want to edit. So for example, if you want to edit everything that says MBX, and then you can pull up these routers that are MBXs. And so you can have like Peplink 1, click edit. And then right here on the right hand side, connection to data center, you can do FEC. And then this would be the return path, FEC. So that's going to enable it on this one tunnel from Peplink 01 to the data center. It's going to enable FEC. And then you just hit save. And then you can click on the next one, and the next one, and the next one that you want to update. So you can enable on a per tunnel configuration, or you can enable it on all of your tunnels right here. Then you just hit next, hit finish, and then that will save those configuration options, and you'll have forward error correction on your tunnels.